Some of us like to speak. Some of us like to play different kind of games. Some of us like music, some dancing, some gardening, some photography, etc. Actually, as human, we have different taste. Different person like to enjoy their free time in different way. Hello friends, and welcome to the Tramp of Spoken English. The English for everyone. Either you know English or don't know English. Well, my name is Biswit Bera and I'm your friend. Today, I would like to share with you how to talk about hobby in our daily conversations. Well, as you know, a hobby is something that we do in our free time. It is something that we enjoy doing and do often. Free time is a time when you don't have to work or don't have any other obligations. To know other person's hobby, we usually ask 1. What's your hobby? What's your hobby? 2. May I know something about your hobby? May I know something about your hobby? 3. What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your extra time? What do you like to do in your leisure time? What do you like to do in your spare time? 4. How do you spend your free time? How do you spend your extra time? How do you spend your leisure time? How do you spend your spare time? But native speaker usually ask, what do you like to do for fun? What do you like to do for fun? What do you do for fun? What do you do for fun? Truly speaking, we can give the answer by saying 1. That is my hobby, my passion. For examples, book reading is my hobby, my passion. Gardening is my hobby, my passion. Photography is my hobby. I'm so much passionate to photography. Playing cricket is my hobby. 2. In my free time, or in my extra time, or in my leisure time, or in my spare time, I like to dance. For examples, in my free time, I like to read books. In my extra time, I like to play football. In my leisure time, I like to dance. In my spare time, I like to cook foods. 3. I usually enjoy my free time by dance. For instances, I usually enjoy my free time by speaking with friends. I usually enjoy my free time by listening music. 4. I like dance in my free time. For examples, I like playing cricket in my free time. I like spending time with my family and friends. 5. I spend my free time by dance. For instances, I spend my free time by hanging with friends. I spend my free time by learning how to play guitar. 6. When I am not working, I like to dance. For examples, when I am not working, I like to practice how to speak English. When I am not working, I like to spend my time with nature. What do you think? Is this the end? No, this is not the end. Then we or our conversation partner can ask a lot of questions related to our hobby. For examples, 1. What is your favorite book? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite flower? What is your favorite music? Etc. 2. Who is your favorite player? Who is your favorite author? Who is your favorite singer? Who is your favorite dancer? Etc. Well, we can give answer of these questions very easily by using the phrases like 1. My favorite book, or food, or flower, or music, or player, or author, or actor, etc. is dash. For examples, my favorite book is You Can Win by Shiv Khera. My favorite food is chicken. My favorite cricketer is Rohit Sharma. 2. Dash is my favorite book, or food, or flower, or music, or player, or author, or movie, etc. For instances, Rose is my favorite flower. Shah Rukh Khan is my favorite actor. Virat Kohli is my favorite player. By the way, we can also extend the conversation by asking why this is your favorite. Means, why Rohit Sharma is your favorite player? Why Rose is your favorite flower? Etc. But the answer totally depends on each of us. We know very well why we like it so much. We can ask another question related to our hobby. What are the benefits you get from your hobby? As you know, friends, different hobbies have different benefits. But the common benefit we get from our hobbies is it removes our boredom, monotony, and make ourselves refreshed, bright, and excited. If this question is for me, I will give answer like this way. Well, today we live in the world where hard work and efforts are necessary for survival. We have to work from dawn to dusk. These difficult and tiring activities make the brain dull and body exhausted. Continuous stress affects the mental capacity of people. So there is a definite need of an action which causes mitigation of mind, relief of body, and nourishment of thoughts. Hobby is an activity which did this. It is a venture which is done to pass spare time. Honestly speaking, book reading is my hobby, my passion. Indeed, whenever I'm free, I pick up a book which I love and start reading it. When reading begins, I am so much involved in the book that I forget about every other worry of the world. My mind stays at a place and it becomes relaxed. Truly speaking, after reading books, I learn new things. When I read the biographies of famous people, it tells me how much they struggled in their life. That inspire me. When I read some detective novels, I came to know about the cleverness of the world. Whenever I put my hands on the personal development books, I realize my mistakes. Hence, it makes me better. Thus, I understand countless things. Well, Thomas Henry Huxley told, try to learn something about everything and everything about something. Definitely, by reading books, my thinking expanded. My mind opened. I could perceive things way better than I did before. It changed my perspective of looking the world. Now I see the world with a different eye. I understand the positivity of the world. As well as another advantage I gain, that reading made me a better speaker. I can utter words promptly as my mind is readily synchronized with my knowledge. Well, Joseph Edison told, reading is the basic tool in the living a good life. Honestly, I love my hobby because it teaches me to be happy in every circumstances. With a great pleasure, I say, every time I'm depressed, I amuse myself with my hobby. and my depression converts into my happiness. Books are my real friends, and I love them. I'm proud that book reading is my hobby. To conclude, I want to say you that if you have more hobbies, you can answer like that. I have few hobbies like reading books, playing football, listening music, speaking with friends, and as well as bike riding. Or in my free time, I like to do photography, playing cricket, dancing, and hanging with friends. Thank you, friends, and have a nice day.